Engine clogging caused by carbon deposits is a frequent problem for your customers, leading to performance loss, increased fuel consumption, engine warning lights, difficult starts, breakdowns, costly part replacements, and even failures in polluting emissions tests. To address this, our laboratory has developed Bardahl 5-in-1 Engine Cleaner, an ultra-concentrated formula designed to track down and dissolve harmful deposits that affect the performance of both thermal and hybrid engines. It works at every stage of combustion. Before, to clean injectors and valves. During, to protect the combustion chamber and piston rings. And after, to preserve the turbo, the EGR valve, and the particulate filter. Bardahl formula uses safe and advanced technology to clean, treat, and protect all parts of the engine. By choosing Bardahl, you are opting for durability. Your customers save money by extending the lifespan of their engine, and together, we help protect the planet by limiting fuel consumption and pollution. Bardahl. Nothing will stop you.